How do you configure a database connection in Spring Boot? In Spring Boot, you can configure a database connection by specifying the necessary properties in the application.properties or application.yml file. The specific properties required will depend on the type of database you are using and the driver you are using to connect to it. Here is an example of how to configure a connection to a MySQL database in the application.properties file. In the example above, we have specified the JDBC URL, username, and password for the MySQL database connection. Spring Boot provides default configurations for popular databases such as MySQL, PostgreSQL, and H2. If you are using one of these databases, you can use the starter dependencies for that database, and Spring Boot will automatically configure the database connection. In addition to specifying the properties in the application.properties or application.yml file, you can also use the @configuration properties annotation to bind the properties to a Java object. Overall, configuring a database connection in Spring Boot is straightforward, and the required properties depend on the specific database and driver you are using. By default, Spring Boot provides sensible defaults for many popular databases, making it easy to get started with a database-backed Spring Boot application.